welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off the option for double tapping the screen to turn it on. Right now, as you can see, if our phone is turned off, if we double tap the screen, it will wake up. To turn it off, if you want to, of course, we have to go to settings, then we are looking for advanced features, and in advanced features we have motion and gestures. By default, double tap to turn on the screen is turn on. Let's turn it off and let's test if it works. Turn off. 1, 2, 1, 2. Nothing. It's dead. So, to turn it back again, of course, we have to wake it by tapping our power button. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.